Professor Crypto!
Professor Crypto! Best content creator.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Bingx.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Let's jump right into Bingx. Now, guys, as you know, we've already done a few videos on Bingx, and this one is a very important update. For anyone who hasn't seen our previous content on Bingx, they are a leading global cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2018 with over 20 million users worldwide. They provide a comprehensive range of products, including the spot trading, derivatives, copy trading, and asset management, ranking among the top 5 crypto derivatives platforms globally. One of their standout products, the Bingx Martingale strategy, allows for a high turnover, fast arbitrage, and profit-taking opportunity through dynamic real-time position cost adjustment. Now, it's really important to note, guys, that Bingx provides a user-friendly, diverse, and innovative platform designed for traders of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, they make crypto trading accessible, secure, and profitable with advanced features like futures mode for every trader, copy trading, guaranteed price, and Bingx Martingale strategy. This strategy allows for flexible position additions and efficient fund turnover by dynamically adjusting profit-taking moments based on market fluctuations, ensuring you capture the best possible gains. So you guys are probably wondering, Professor, why should we care about Bingx? Well, guys, they are offering tools that simplify trading, such as low slippage, advanced trading features, and user-first solution. The Bingx Martingale strategy helps users leverage frequent market fluctuations, efficiency, accumulate profits, and manage risk with robust risk management. Whether you're using it for optimizing position additions, their platform offers comprehensive solutions that maximize your trading potential. All right, guys, so now I think we should go over the Martingale strategy tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to create a strategy. I'm going to explain the meaning of each option during the setup process and showcase the returns from the strategy that we created here. All right, guys, so here we are on the home page, and we're going to head on over to Wealth and select Martingale DCA, and we're going to select Create. So what do we have here? We have the ETH USDT pair. This is the pair that we're going to be using today, and we're going to be shorting. All right, we're not going to be doing long. So the profit target, we're going to go for 50%. Yes, and the total investment minimum 1,000, the amount multiplier 1.2, max additions per round 6, and the SL, it's got to be a number higher than this, so we're gonna go 2,900. I think is a good one. Yeah, let's do that. SL ratio 35.3%, good to go. Amount multiplier 1.2, and we scroll down, we can see close profit 1.2 for ETH. Create, let's do it, and confirm. We're good to go. Now it's running, and we can see here on our Martingale DCA page, it's good to go. It's running. All right, next thing I want to show you guys here is the profit that we have garnered, and my face might be blocking it here, so let me check out that crazy amount of profit there, guys. 102.4201 plus 10.24%, APY 747.67. Nice, it's a success. So now let's talk about how we doing after 5 days, 11 hours, 53 minutes, plus 270.4826. We're up 27.05% on that. APY 1,645.44. And lastly, guys, after 5 days, 18 hours, and 31 minutes, we have 290.73 in our profits, and the APY 1,765.88%. So we've done very well on this. I'm very happy with the result. Now, guys, I did want to say that the key advantages of the Bingx Martingale yield strategy that I definitely want you to note is that they have fast arbitrage and high turnover. Bingx enables quick arbitrage by executing trades based on the average position price, offering frequent profit-taking opportunities. Unlike other platforms that rely on fixed returns, Bingx dynamically adjusts profits targets according to real-time market fluctuations, ensuring optimal profit-taking moments. There's also the flexible and accurate price step calculation, where Bingx uses a percentage setting method relative to the previous order price, allowing more flexibility and precision in position additions. This ensures that positions gradually converge towards lower prices, making the strategy more effective during market turndowns. There's also a robust risk management associated with this, where Bingx reserves funds for risk hedging, providing an additional safety net during adverse market conditions. There's also innovative calculation features, where Bingx is offering a simulation of expected returns based on user input, helping traders optimize their strategies before executing trades. This feature ensures that users can better prepare for different market conditions. So of course, it's been working wonders for me, guys, and I'm excited for you guys to experience it as well. It's easy, effective, and perfect for both beginners and pros. Download Bingx, guys, check it out, start using the strategy, and watch your profits grow.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's good.
Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to Lab Gang. Shout out to the World Gang. Shout out to the Huddle Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. Group hug, group hug. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out. Really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing some more crypto reviews and exclusive international blockchain events. We are the channel for that, guys, as you know. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.